స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా మళ్ళీ వీడియో.
లేదు, ఫస్ట్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ అయింది సార్. అది సేవ్ అవుతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా. సేవ్ అవుతుంది సార్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా.
సరే వదిలేదు నాకు. ఎన్ని కటింగ్లు ఉంది? ఎందుకు అవుతుంది కటింగ్లు?
కటింగ్ అసలు ఇందాక ఫోన్ వచ్చింది కదా సార్, కట్ అయింది ఆటోమేటిక్గా. మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ అయిందండి.
Here, mass inversely proportional to distance. According to this situation, simply MD proportional remove to right constant. MD is constant. We know Boyle's law. PV is constant. We can write P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Simply in this manner to write M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. This is most important formula in the center of mass. What is the important formula? Mass is more, distance from center of mass to mass is very nearer. Simply M and D is constant. Simply M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Okay, very important, please write. Look here. Next Nana, I discuss center of mass depends upon the distribution of mass and shape of the body. Next point. For example, Nana, ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ మీరు చైర్లో కూర్చొని ఉంటారు అంతే కదా. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చైర్లో నుంచి మీ ఫుట్ ఉందిగా, లెగ్ పైకి లేపండి. పైకి లేపి చైర్ని మూవ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. మూవ్ అయిద్దా? చెక్ చేయండి. ఇంటర్నల్ ఫోర్స్ నాట్ చేంజ్ ద లెగ్స్ పైకి లేపి మూవ్ చేయాలి. మూవ్ చేయి. నాట్ చేంజ్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్. ఓకేనా? ఇంటర్నల్ ఫోర్సెస్ నాట్ చేంజ్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్. అదే ఇప్పుడు లెగ్స్ కింద పెట్టండి. లెగ్స్ కింద పెట్టి మీ చైర్ని మూవ్ చేయండి. లెగ్స్ కింద పెడితే ఎర్త్ నుంచి మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఫోర్స్. చేంజ్ ద ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఫోర్స్. చేంజ్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్. Position of center of mass. Once again I repeat, internal forces does not alter the position of center of mass. External forces change the position of center of mass. Okay Nana? External force does not change the position of center of mass. I discuss one concept Nana. Look here. This is the x-axis Nana. This is the x-axis. Here one body I take. The body name is M1. This is another body. The body name is M2. For example, this is the origin. Origin to first body. Origin to first body. This is called X1. Origin to second body. This is called X2. Once again I repeat, look here. Here, once again I repeat. This is M1, this is M2. Both are on x-axis. For example, common center of mass is here now. This distance center of mass to center of mass to first particle distance is d1. Here center of mass to second particle distance is d2. We know the coordinate system. Coordinate system means x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. In the coordinate system, distances are measured from origin. In the situation, origin to first body, the distance is x1. Origin to second body, the distance is x2. Origin to center of mass, the distance is xm. Why here take x1, x2, xm? Here we choose coordinate system to determine the center of mass. Coordinate system means x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. According to mathematics, distances are measured from origin. Okay, Nana? Look here, Nana. In the situation, look here, Nana. In the situation, okay, we know the basic formula. Just previous I discussed m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Okay, this is the basic formula, Nana. m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. We know that d1 value. Look here, Nana. d1 value. Here, Nana. x1 plus d1 write as xm. Look here, diagram. x1 plus d1 write as xcm. According to this situation, what is the d1, Nana? Junaid, d1 is xcm minus x1. Okay? Next, Nana. xcm plus d2 write as x2. x2 write as, look here, xcm plus d2. What is the d2 value here? d2 value is x2 minus xcm. Here plus other side minus. What is the basic equation? m1 d1. d1 we know that. What is the d1? xcm minus x1. Right side m2. What is the d2? d2 x2 minus xcm. Okay? In the left side, tell me fast. m1 xcm minus m1 x1. Right side. Right side now. m2 x2 minus m2 xcm. Look here. Okay? Minus other side plus, minus other side plus. Right side, look here. m1 x1 plus m2 x2 minus other side plus xcm common, remaining right as m1 plus m2. What is the formula for xcm? xcm formula is, finally we get m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. Look here. Here what is the x1 theorem? x1 is distance measured from, x1 is, once again I repeat, x1 is distance measured from origin to first body. x2 distance measured from origin to second body. xcm is distance measured from origin to center of mass. Okay, what is the formula for xcm? m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. Okay, look here all of you. Just 5 minutes, I stop the class now. Look here all of you. What is the XCM formula, Junaid? XCM formula is, look here, m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. Here two particles are there, both the particles are on x-axis. For example, n particles are there, XCM formula, tell me, m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus and so on plus mn xn whole by, tell me Nana, m1 plus m2 plus and so on mn. Here n particles are on the x-axis. This is the formula for XCM. XCM means position of center of mass from origin. Okay, look here, all of you look here. For example, n particles lie on the y-axis. All particles lie on the y-axis. YCM formula is, tell me Nana, in your own way, tell me fast. m1 y1 plus, tell me, m2 y2 plus m3 y3 plus and so on mn yn whole by, tell me m1 plus m2 plus and so on mn. Okay, next Nana, all particles lie on the z-axis. What is the formula for ZCM? In your own way, tell me. ZCM formula is m1 z1 plus m2 z2 plus and so on mn zn whole by m1 plus m2 plus and so on mn. Okay, this is the XCM formula, this is the YCM formula. Next one, I discuss ZCM formula. Okay Nana, excellent Nana Sriram. Look here. For example, next Nana, RCM. RCM is nothing but the position vector of center of mass. The formula is, tell me, m1 r1 bar position vector plus m2 r2 bar plus and so on whole by, look here all of you, m1 plus m2 plus and so on. This is the formula for RCM. Next formula is VCM. Velocity of center of mass is, look here all of you, m1 v1 bar. In your pattern, tell me m2 v2 bar and so on. Whole by, tell me Nana, m1 plus m2 plus and so on. This is the formula for velocity of center of mass. Next formula is acceleration of center of mass. ACM formula is, look here, m1 a1 bar plus m2 a2 bar plus and so on. Whole by m1 plus m2 plus and so on. This is the acceleration of center of mass. This is the velocity of center of mass. This is the position vector of center of mass. These formulas please revise today class. Okay, tomorrow I discuss some important models.